evolution of my name on my YouTube channel. Wait. Actually, my oldest name, my first name is 30 TV. Now, I actually replaced my name to 30 TV Alexander IP5. I means the third because my grandfather actually the first Alexander. My dad is actually the second Alexander. I'm the third Alexander. So and after that I will replace my name with right 30 TV 30 TV's manga, which if I have another phone, so I will replace. So I will actually connect my YouTube channel to the other YouTube channel, and actually I will post mangas, not actually. So guys, let you know that how to do. My banana actually growing. It's actually not growed, but full with ants actually swarming, and I actually trash canned it. Sorry, my banana, because I'm in the wrong place. I need is the real banana. I will actually cut or peel off the 3 to 4 set of here to here stems, and actually cut it in half, and place the one is in the water with toothpick or stick, and actually place it on the banana by and that and it will sprout, and it's banana's nature. So how this nature really works, and why my banana turned to an ant hive. So my banana is not actually peeled. It's actually peeled, and not actually a banana. And if you're new here, it's been about March 4. So guys,